careful with me, please?
Of course, Mom. I'd never hurt you. I got you, Mom. Don't worry.
No! Oh my gosh!
You ready for this, Mom?
No.
It's been a long time overdue, Mom. I've been trying to get you in the car for months now. You want to drive?
No, I don't want to.
You want to hold that?
No. No, I like the new steering wheel.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
It's spectacular.
Yeah.
It's like everything you do. No, wait, I need my seatbelt on.
Yes, you do need your seatbelt.
Strap me in. Wow, I haven't even sat in this car.
So guys, it's been a long time coming to get my mom in this car. I've been trying to get her in the car for, I don't even know, like a long time, and she doesn't like fast things, to say the least. She's the opposite of me.
I'm more scared now than I've been in the Corvette.
Yeah. If you guys didn't see that video, that was pretty interesting.
Knowing that this is faster and scarier than the Corvette. Hey, we're going to Mexico, right?
Yeah, we're going to Mexico. My mom always asks me how I get to Mexico so quick, and now she's about to find out. Check this out, Mom. Right here, you can.
I'm already nervous.
Have you seen this?
Only on your channel.
So you can change from track mode to sport mode to custom, and you can put on eco mode. But
Eco sounds good. Let's do that.
I figured you'd say that.
It's
So what do you think about the sound? What do you think about the sound? Is it pretty?
It's scary.
It's a pretty crazy sound, isn't it?
It's very scary.
I think it sounds pretty cool.
It sounds more ferocious than it is.
Yeah. Look, it's about to rain, Mom.
Oh, great. Now the roads are going to be slick.
We're gonna have to be extra careful.
We need to truly go to Mexico.
Last time, everyone was complaining about where we were at. They were saying,
All my friends.
they're all being like, acting like we're being so reckless. Because we weren't exactly in Mexico. We were in some residential roads in Mexico.
Oh my gosh. You're scaring me.
I'm giving my mom a ride for the first time.
Oh my gosh.
He said he loves the way it sounds, Mom.
That sounds so good.
You don't agree with him though, do
I
you?
thought he was going to say, wow, you guys need to be careful. No, he's egging you on.
He said it sounds so good.
That just made it worse.
So we're being a little bit more safe, Mom. We're gonna take a good road that is safe to go under the speed limit on.
Sorry.
I literally had to convince my mom for at least 2 or 3 months now to finally make this happen. She's never not been down, but she always says like, oh, I have work, or I have this, or I'm not feeling good, or something, and now we're finally got her. And it's just a normal car. Look at it. You could drive it.
I didn't even know, like, I didn't feel all this nervousness when you were asking me to go for a ride in your Corvette. But now, oh my gosh, now I feel nervous because I know what to expect, and it's gonna
The
be
Corvette, she didn't even know that I was filming. We kind of
I
lucked out on that one. I kind of swindled her into that.
Yeah, now that I know the thousands of people that watch Judah's Garage are watching me, that makes me feel even more
A little bit more
nervous.
worried. Yeah, that was back in the day.
I will try really hard not to pee my pants on your show.
Please, well, we got the AC seats, so it'll be alright. Try not to pee your pants.
Ah!
That wouldn't be good.
No.
Mom pees pants in my Hellcat.
That'll get views.
That would. What happens when I get a cooler car than this?
Scarier?
Yeah, what if we move up the totem pole? What if we get to the next car?
They don't have to go faster. They can just be cooler looking. You'll have a Lamborghini one day. I'll ride in that.
Yeah, that'll be a good video.
Is that the one where the...
My mom believes in me. She said I'll have a Lamborghini one day. So
Absolutely, positively, you will have that.
you think so?
Probably more than one.
Probably more than one.
Yeah, I'm thinking that one day I'll be in one of those surprise videos where you'll be buying me a car.
You think so?
Yeah, I know it. When you make it.
I'm still on the I'm still working on it right now, Mom. Hopefully
But you're
in a couple
very
years.
hardworking, very driven, very focused, and I'm really, really, really proud of you.
Thank you. Good things take time. We'll be in the Lambo in no time. We'll get you a Lambo too. Everyone gets Lambos.
I do not want one of those. Oh my gosh! We went sideways!
It's wet out today, boys. We can't really. Oh gosh, it's not exactly the best conditions to be going fast. Yeah.
I am so grateful.
You're happy that it's wet out?
Yes, I prayed for it. Just slow me down.
She said I prayed for it to rain. Thanks, Mom, for raining on my parade.
Oh my gosh! Oh, I definitely need another seatbelt.
That's what you said last time.
I need a harness. I need it. I need that.
So usually we were going 100 miles an hour right there. Like, but we weren't going nowhere because it's wet out.
Wow. Okay, I do have a stomach ache.
We haven't even went anywhere. We're going slow.
But it was very fast.
We're going easy, Mom. I can't even get into it.
Good. Don't get into it.
We gotta be easy because we can't be getting you hurt or nothing. Hey, Mom?
You know what this reminds me of? It's like I need a breath before the next contraction having my baby.
Oh my goodness.
It's like intense.
Giving you a stomach ache?
It's more like in my throat now.
Well, I don't want to do that. It's supposed to be fun, Mom. Most people get excited. Most people say I made their year, or made their day, or made their week.
No, I'm making your day. Not like anything I've ever heard.
Well, that's the supercharger. You know what a supercharger is?
I can't talk.
I feel like I laugh at the same time I feel bad. I'm like, I can't be doing this to my mom.
Oh. Is it almost over?
Yeah, we're almost home.
You like fast and loud.
Fast and loud. So, Mom, what do you think about the steering wheel? You ready? So I'm gonna put it in neutral. You see how it lights up?
That is so fancy. That is bling bling fancy. Very
so you
impressive.
see, so when it turns red, that's when you shift. Or you're supposed to, at least. You know what I mean? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But it's more.
Never get there.
It's more just. You would never get there.
No, I just stay green.
Stay green all the time.
Yeah, it's my favorite color. But I like the other stuff it does.
I can change colors too, apparently. I can make it like, someone told me I can make it blue, pink, purple.
You need those.
We can make it purple for you and then we'll let you drive it.
Yes, with a little glitter.
But the purple will come on like really early, so you don't gotta go so fast.
I might drive it if you can make that purple. Yeah, this one's not so low on the ground. Like
yeah, the Corvette's a lot, this is more comfortable, wouldn't you say?
Very comfortable. I could go on a road trip with you, as long as we could drive it with green. Oh no, I know what we're in for now.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I can't open my eyes. Careful with me, please.
Of course, Mom, I'd never hurt you. I would never do anything to hurt you.
You're not getting out, are you?
No. What do you think's gonna happen?
This car does so many things. Now I'm breathing in toxic fumes.
You're good, you're good. You want to try?
No, no, no. I can smell rubber burning. brave girl.
What do you think?
I'm a brave girl.
Have you ever done that in your whole life?
Not in my whole life.
You've never done a donut? Never?
No. Never even been in a car like this.
Really?
Didn't think I would raise a son that would be able to have a car like this.
So you can't say that was a little bit fun? Like
No,
we weren't...
I wouldn't want to do it again.
You think this guy's filming because he likes it or because he doesn't like it?
Oh yeah, he's just thinking you are it.
Let's see what he thinks. Nope, he doesn't like it. He's not waving back.
He's not turning you in.
Thoughts, Mom? What do you think?
Okay, I think you are amazing. I think your car is amazing. I think your channel's amazing, but I really
You would rather not do donuts?
Riding fast.
I think we've learned that. We figured that out.
Yeah, it's not my favorite thing. I do like being in your car.
Was that impressive though, the donuts?
No.
We were cutting circles.
No.
You didn't think so?
No.
I'm a little upset. I thought you'd be like a little impressed.
No, I'm not impressed.
What's the scariest thing you've ever done?
Raise you.
You think so?
Everything about you has been adventurous, exciting, a little bit scary. In a good way though. In a really amazing car.
Thanks, Mom. I appreciate that. Would you get one?
No.
It's not your type of car?
No. If I could afford a car like this, it would be
Like a luxury.
yeah.
So like the Lamborghini Urus.
I do like the I like that sound.
It's squealing.
Yeah. Well, it's not like squealing.
It's called a whine. Alright, Mom.
I can't talk.
This is the finale.
No. I'm terrified.
I feel like you're not even having fun anymore.
I wouldn't want to do it again.
Really? So you never
I mean, I
ride
would like to drive in it like normal.
normal?
Yes, I do think your car is amazing.
Thank you.
But I don't need it to go really fast.
Well, we were
Like,
only
I
going
don't-
50 there. It's just a little,
in 2 seconds flat.
it's aggressive 50. The sound makes it feel a lot more aggressive than it is too.
Like pull you to your seat.
It's like a roller coaster.
Which do I like those? No.
No, I always try to get you to go on them with me, and you never would come.
No.
That's that's the end of it.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. What do you think?
I think.
Are you glad you got to experience it at least?
Most amazing son ever.
Well, now we experienced it. We don't got to do it again.
Yay! It'll be the next car. What's your next dream car?
I don't know.
What are your thoughts on the next dream car? Because this was a dream.
This was a dream, and now it's not a dream because I have it, even though it's really cool still. So I don't know. Maybe like a Lamborghini or something. I guess
I think so.
that would be pretty cool.
To rebuild a Lamborghini.
Buy it broken and rebuild it. I think that'd be pretty cool. All right, guys. Well, if you guys, I don't know. I didn't get to see your reaction, so I feel like I'm really curious to what it's gonna look like on the camera. It was only 25 minutes.
Okay, don't like it, okay? Don't smash the like.
We gotta get you. If we let you drive it though, then you can go at your own pace.
Don't view it like 1,000 times either.
If it gets enough likes, we can let you drive it, or we can let you drive it no matter what. But
Yeah, that's a whole nother.
if we let you drive it, then you're in control though, and we don't gotta go fast
We'll just go to the grocery store.
and come back.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool to me. All right, guys. Well, it was fun, and I hope you guys liked the reaction. I really don't even know how it went. You guys might be like, Judah, you're a scumbag. You scared the heck out of your mom. And I'm gonna be like, I guess, I don't know, that wasn't the idea. But a lot of you guys loved the when I took her for a ride in the Corvette, so figured we had to do it in the Hellcat. And you probably never get another video like this in the Hellcat because she wasn't loving it too much. But maybe we can get her to drive it, and maybe she can scare me a little bit.
What I love is you.
Well, you got anything you want to say, Mom?
No, I'm just glad it's over.
Well, subscribe, and that's that. I love you, Mom.
I love you. Mwah.
See ya.